Occupy Wall Street.
Occupy Wall Street.
It's critical to our fight.
It's critical to our fight.
In a word to the Transport Workers Union members here. It's simply not enough to go to work every day.
It's simply not enough to go to work every day.
And take a paycheck home.
And take a paycheck home.
Every local 100 member.
Every local 100 member
Needs to be involved in this contract fight.
needs to be involved in this contract fight.
Whether folks realize it or not,
Whether folks realize it or not,
our livelihoods are on the line right now.
our livelihoods are on the line right now.
We have a choice before us.
We have a choice before us.
Stand back
Stand back
and don't do a damn thing.
and don't do a damn thing.
Or stand up and fight the forces that are trying to destroy our families.
Stand up and fight the forces that are trying to destroy our families.
Thank you.
Thank you. TWU!
John, your president was totally right.
John,
When he said, we all have to get involved. No more standing back. No more bickering. No more saying shit. No more shit. We have to go on the job. And do a grievance every day. If the boss smiles, grieve it. If the boss talks, grieve it. And pull in hundreds and hundreds of workers.
My name is Mario. I'm from the Labor Outreach Group of Occupy Wall Street. I'm also from the Direct Action Group of Occupy Wall Street. And first thing I want to say is thank you to TWU for being one of the first unions in New York City and throughout the country to support us. Thank you. The second thing that I want to say is that we thank you for being here when Mayor Doomsburg tried to evict us in October. We could not be here without labor. We are one.
Hi, my name's Seth. I'm a transit worker. I'm a subway driver. I'm a member of Local 100. And I'm also a revolutionary. The bosses, the banks, the Wall Street, Democrats, Republicans, the media are all united against us. The workers of this city, this country, and the world must unite to fight them. We fall. United we win. I'd just like to close with the words of a wise man who once said, workers of the world, unite! You have nothing to lose but your change. Thank you!